Hey guys, I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. I'm here at Lighthouse Point Condominiums in Lake Ozark, Missouri, where we have a 3-bed, 3 full bath condo with roughly 1,800 square feet. One of the best features is the large oversized deck that is overlooking the main channel, as well as easy elevator access. So come on in, let's check it out. So once inside, you'll notice multiple updates inside already completed, as well as a large open floor plan, perfect for entertaining all your guests. If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005 or visit our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks and have a great day.